Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about my weight loss story. I am also going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks that I used to lose 50 pounds. Okay, so when I had my baby, I was 201 pounds. Okay, and that is from like gaining weight before my pregnancy and also adding all the weight together from the baby. And so it ended up hitting a total of 201 pounds.
Right now. That's my no makeup cute.
And I remember my heaviest in high school was only 100 pounds flat. So that was very big for me. I was sad. I was very, very depressed. And I was like, I need to do something about my weight. So I had talked to my fiance about it, and he was like, "Yeah, babe, you go ahead and heal for now, but once you're done, yeah, it would be a good idea to lose weight." So first of all, I'm going to start off with criticism, and I feel like a lot of females are just very, I would say, more like easygoing on themselves when it comes to weight loss. If you're a bit too easygoing on yourself with weight loss, you're not going to lose as much weight as you actually can because you want everyone around you to baby you. Like, you don't want people to tell you, yeah, it would be good if you hit the gym, or it would be good if you stop ordering pizza at 12 a.m., you know? So, one is being able to take constructive criticism and also being able to understand and agree that you're actually bigger than you're supposed to be. So, for those of you who don't know, I am only 5'2". So, 201 pounds on 5'2" looks about 260 pounds on me. I am small. I am very, very petite. Okay. So, one, I would say portion control, kind of like portion sizing. Make sure you're eating less food. Make sure you're eating a lot of protein. And also make sure when you're craving, you're drinking water. So every time you crave something sweet, you just go ahead and grab some cold water and drink, okay? Every time you want to like drive down to Starbucks, grab a cold water and drink it. That helped me a lot. So it was the portion control, it was the discipline, it was just understanding that my stomach takes about 15 minutes to register to my brain that I'm actually so making sure you eat less food. Now, it does sound a bit crazy and toxic because it can get pretty toxic, okay? But how do you gain weight? You gain weight by putting food in your system, right? By putting excess amount of food in your system. So how are you going to lose weight? By taking it out, by cleaning your system, eating a little healthier. Sometimes you don't have to think too much about it. It's just making like little decisions here and there throughout your day is going to get you through the day. And so you just have to do it one day at a time. So the 5 things that really helped me was the intermittent fasting and the discipline, my supplements. Make sure you're taking your supplements because you may have some nutrition and nutrients that are missing out of your diet because you're starting to eat less food. So supplements had also helped me in not feeling too hungry. That is something that I have noticed. Now, some people would say go to the doctor, they're going to put you on meds. If you do not discipline yourself and you get on meds, you're just going to gain the weight back. So do not go to the doctor so the doctor can put you on meds because you're just going to gain it right back once you get off those meds. Okay? So it's a discipline, the intermittent fasting, and also like the OMAD diet and
That's a picture of me in high school. I was really fit, and that's a picture of me right now.
so that is how I lost I was about to say 140. That is how I lost 50 pounds, guys, coming from 201, and now I am 140 pounds. I just want to congratulate myself, and I want to let you know that you can do it. I still have 10 more to go, and once I hit that 10 more, I'll see how I feel about it, if I want to stop there. But please like, comment, and subscribe to the Glow Up Guide. I will see you beautiful ladies next time, okay?